Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to talk about a mistake which I have done few days back, and I have lost my drone. Yes, you heard it right. So as you can see behind me, it's a bridge here and there's a small lake. So what I was doing, I was just trying to take a shot of the bridge. So I was flying my drone in this area. So then it came into mind, why don't I try to fly my drone under this bridge? So I thought maybe I will take a cinematic shot just below the bridge. Whenever you fly your DJI Mavic Mini, so let's say if you lost control with your remote control, so your DJI Mavic Mini will choose an option to return to home, but at the time it should be connected to the GPS. So what happened exactly, when I took my drone just below the bridge, so it disconnected from the GPS, and also since I was right standing here, so due to the obstacle it get disconnected from the controller. So now no GPS connection, no connection with the remote control, so it's not able to decide whether what to do now. So it landed automatically in the water, as you can see in the footage. So my suggestion is, never try to fly a drone under any bridge. If you are trying, just make sure you have a direct connection with your drone and remote control, so there should not be any obstacle. Otherwise you will lose the connection and I don't know, you may lost your drone in the water. So what I have done exactly is, since the water was not that deep, so I jumped into the water and I took my drone, tried to dry it for 2-3 days, but it didn't work actually. And then I reported to the customer care, and I have sent my DJI Mavic Mini to the DJI official the customer service center, and then they do the analysis, and luckily I get the drone without any cost. So I'm lucky to get a drone without any cost, but my suggestion is, never try with your drone, and make sure you have a direct connection with your drone. So hope this video will help you, and please give a thumbs up if you like this video, and also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys, bye bye, see you soon.